Welcome back. So we're going to continue from where we stopped in the last video, and right now we're going to be learning two things. We're going to learn how to open one or more documents on Microsoft Word and how to switch between multiple documents. And the first thing I want us to do is to launch the Word application. So by now you should know how to launch that. I've taught you that. Look at the application here under most used applications. This is here because I've been using it over and over again. But in case you don't have it like this on your system, all you need to do is to scroll down to where you have W. Don't forget. Okay, this W here. And right there you're going to say Word 2016. So I'm going to launch it and I'm going to wait for it. So right now I'm on the Word 2016 interface. If you look at it very well to your left, on this left pane, you're going to have the recent documents that I've worked on this system. Okay, so I can open those documents from here. These are existing documents, so I can open them from here right now. So all I need to do is just to select that document and it's going to open. Okay, so but let's say I want to open more documents right away. How do I do that? So I have to go to File. I'll click there. Then you come to Open. Then when you click Open, you're going to have these options come up. So to your right, you're going to see the list of existing documents. These are documents that I've worked on recently on this system. So they are listed out for me, as you can see. So if I have a document to open and it's right here, maybe it's one of the documents that I've worked on recently, so I can open it from here. So let's say I want to open test 1. All I need to do is just to select it. And it's going to open it for me. As you can see, it opened already. So, but there's another way to open your document. All you need to do is to go to File, then come to Open. Don't forget I said that if you want to explore all the locations where you could save your work, you're going to get it from the Browse option. So when you click the Browse folder, you're going to have a dialog box come up. And as you can see, they're all here. Okay. So let's assume that the document I want to open is on Document. All I need to do is to select Document. And I'm going to come there. As you can see, I have just one document. One Word document on that document folder. And this is it. So how do I open this? It's either I select it by clicking it once and I click Open, or I double click on this test document. So you either do one of the two. So I prefer to click, then click Open. Then you're going to wait for it. As you can see, test document is opened right now. So that is the way to open your document. So wherever you've saved your document, all you need to do is to come to File, come to Open, come to Browse. Then you have to look for the location where you saved your work. If you saved your work on desktop, you click here and the document is going to be here. If you saved it on Documents, you're going to see it here. If you saved it on Download, you're going to have it here. If you saved it on Music, you're going to have it here. If you saved it on Pictures, you're going to have those documents there. Okay? So that's the way to open your document. Okay? So I'm going to cancel it. Okay. So I'm going to go back now. This is your back button to my document. Now that I've opened more than one document how do I switch between these documents? Let's say I'm working here, I've opened other documents, and I want to switch to the other documents. How do I do that? There are two ways to getting that done. The first way is to come to your taskbar. When you click there, you're going to see those documents that are opened. Alright, as you can see, there are two documents there opened. Look at them, test and test 1. So I'm currently on test document, but let's say I want to switch to test 1. I'll come to the taskbar, click the word icon, then it's going to bring out all the documents that are opened. Then I can select the document I want to switch to, which is test 1. Alright, so the other method by which you can achieve the same thing is to go to View tab, look at it, click, then you come to Switch Windows. Each of those documents that we've opened are called windows. So each of them is a window. You need to understand that. So when you click this drop down button here, it's going to bring out all the documents that are opened on this Word application. So I have test and I have test 1. So the current active document is test 1. That's why it is marked. Okay, so if I want to switch to test now, all I need to do is to select test and it's going to switch it. So if you go back to that view and check switch windows, you see that test is now marked, and that's what you have. Okay, so that's that about that. That's how to switch your documents, and I hope you've learned something new from here. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.